Hello, and welcome to the January edition of Palmera GO. My name is Derek, and I'm here to share with you today some really cool features and benefits of your club membership that allow you to travel and save in the new year. It's no secret that Palmera gives its members access to a lot of really cool deals and a lot of really cool ways to go on vacation for less. So if you'd like to join me over the next few minutes, we'll go over a few ways on the dashboard to take advantage of some really cool travel options in January and February. Okay, here we go. And first thing, of course, we'll do now is log on to your dashboard. Okay, so loading up Palmera Vacation Club dashboard now. And of course, as always, whenever we log on to the dash, the top four big green buttons are for reservation purposes, and bottom four here are for administration purposes. For today, probably one of the first things we'll discuss is coming back to the island here in the off-season January and February. One of the first things that really comes to mind, of course, is Smart Stays, which is under the play button. And traveling in January and February, one of the big events that comes to mind for me is always Valentine's Day. But in addition to Valentine's Day, one of the really cool festivals going on in Hilton Head during February is the 12th Annual Chamber of Commerce Restaurant Week, which of course is in Bluffton and Hilton Head. And basically we're looking at a lot of really cool specialty price offers, fixed price menus, signature dishes, new entrees and old favorites. If you want to sort of look up that information, the Chamber of Commerce has their own website, hiltonheadisland.org, which gives you information on Chamber Restaurant Week, February 3rd through the 9th, 2020. And as you scroll down their website, you can see a pretty extensive list of area restaurants participating with some really cool deals and special entree items to coincide with the 12th Annual Festival. Really nice little list here. And of course, when we're coming back to the island in the off-season, of course, Smart Stays plays a factor. And that's the short-term booking option where we can decide points or cash. And so we can load that up here now under the play button. And there, see, we have availability at Port of Call, Island Links, Coral Reef, and Coral Sands. So let's say here we are, Coral Sands. There's our reservation for Saturday, February 1st through Saturday, February 8th, or Sunday the 2nd through the 9th. We could stay throughout the duration of Chamber Restaurant Week. There's a 3-bedroom unit, Coral Sands East, occupancy 10 for 1,060 member points, or Coral Sands North, 1,237 points. And of course, bear in mind, whenever we're booking, Smart Stays will give you the option to decide how many points we want to use. So 1,237 points and no cash, or we could do 0 points and all cash, which is 20 cents a point. So we've got some options to come to the island for the week before Thanksgiving. Take advantage of the Chamber of Commerce Restaurant Week. And then, of course, this time of year, maybe we want to come back to the island, or maybe we want to try going somewhere else. One of the things I wanted to go over this time for Palmera GO is our Quest Travel Club. Quest is here under the play button, just like Smart Stays. And this is a membership worldwide in a travel club that gains you access to discounted cash inventory. Click on a little hot air balloon here. That'll load that up. And with Quest, remember, your money, your cash is tracked, so your money kind of works for you in the form of reward credits. So everything we spend generates reward credits. When we first land on the Quest, the first search bar we get into is just regular hotel inventory. But one of the things I want to go over today is our weekly resort stays. So you can see that tab right there for weeks. We'll click on that, pull up that inventory. And so we can come back to the island, South Carolina, but maybe we want to go somewhere else. Here we are, it's the winter time. Maybe we want to go skiing in Colorado. So we can pull up for the state of Colorado, and then maybe for dates, do maybe end of February. And so we launched that search. So here's Quest searching deals for 7-night stays within resorts in the state of Colorado. You can see right now 109 weeks, 38 resorts around the end of February. So we've got some inventory showing Palisade, Colorado, Eagle, Colorado, Silver Creek, Colorado, Steamboat Springs, Colorado. So let's say maybe we want to go skiing sometime around the end of February. We've got the Legacy Vacation Club, 3-star resort. And so there we are, winter skiing, the little pre-spring skiing. And loading up a little information here. So here we go, Steamboat Springs. And you'll see on the Quest Travel Club, if you're willing to go on Saturday the 15th through the 22nd, week after Valentine's Day, get a little skiing in for a full week in Colorado for less than $1,000. So you can see you have your choice of the 15th through the 22nd, 22nd to 29th, 29th through the 7th. And as you see, this generates you reward credits. So if you want to head out west to the Colorado Rockies, do a little pre-spring skiing. And here's a neat way to do that on Quest. Save you a little money to do it and save your points for later. Is out in Hawaii. A lot of people don't know this, but January and February in the wintertime is peak whale watching season. And let's say we want to head on out at the end of February and check out the Hawaiian Islands through our Quest Travel Club. Remember, this is cash, not points. Generate your reward credits. Last few weeks of February, we've got 203 total weeks in Hawaii, 57 different resorts. So you can see it's starting out at $724 a week. We've got resorts in Honolulu, the Aqua Ohio Waikiki, Iwa Hotel, Marina Tower, Stay Condominiums. So let's say we want to just go to Honolulu here at the Stay Condominiums Waikiki, 3-star resort. You click on that. And there we'll have some information about 1-bedroom units, occupancy 4, Stay Condominiums Waikiki, 3-star resort. And there we can see a full week in Hawaii, February 22nd through the 29th. That's $808 stay. And you can see the week before, after the week before that, 1017, and again generating the reward credits. So we're there. If you want to sort of look up information as far as what you can expect, if you go to like Hawaii.com, you'll see some really cool information about whale watching and what that means in the winter season. Some really cool tutorial videos here, very informative. Some really neat pictures as far as what whale watching entails or what you can expect. And another cool way to travel and save money on Quest and save your points for another time. Now, in addition to the points, there's always the RCI Exchange Network. We can use our points within the club, but we can also take them worldwide and travel within the Exchange Network of RCI. RCI, of course, is accessed through the escape button on the dashboard. So when you click on that, that's our conduit. And one of the fun things I always like to play around with throughout the year is the 1,000 point filter on RCI. So maybe around Valentine's week, we'll see what we have available in the RCI Exchange Network. So we've got that loading up here now. And whenever we pull up our RCI, remember the first thing we see on the home page is the little binoculars here and the ways to search for points or cash. And there's our first entry. There's the 1,000 point filter. So we can click on that. Take a look at some of the things we can do on Valentine's week for 1,000 points or less in RCI. So for today, there's a total of 328 resorts in the RCI Exchange Network in the United States with availability for 1,000 points or less. And of those, let's say maybe we want a romantic getaway to the Las Vegas area. We've got 11 resorts showing in the Nevada, Las Vegas area for 1,000 points or less. And we can see when we take a little closer look at that, we've got 11 resorts showing in the month of January, 9 resorts showing in the month of February. So we can take a little closer look there in February. And let's say we want that romantic Valentine's Day weekly getaway through RCI using our Palmera Vacation Club points. Well, here we have some availability. Right off the rip, there's a Gold Crown Blue-Green Club with some 1-bedroom inventory for 470 points. Scrolling down the list, there's Worldmark Las Vegas, Tropicana, both 3-night stays and 5-night stays, 750 points, 900 points. Anytime we want to take a closer look, obviously we can click on the green tab that says available units. Let's say we want to go to Wildmark Las Vegas Tropicana 5-night stay. Click on the available units there. And looks like we can go from the 9th through the 14th. It's a 1-bedroom unit, full kitchen, occupancy 4, 900 points. 2-bedroom unit, occupancy 6, full kitchen, 900 points. And just a really cool way to familiarize yourself with some of the neat stuff going on the 1,000-point filter. And so that's pretty much it for this go around. Palmera on the go. Just want to say thanks for joining me this time around. I look forward to chatting with you next time. Thanks and have a great day.